Hi guys. Hi guys. So it's official. It's almost impossible to get a remote job right now as a software engineer. So AI is literally taking everyone's jobs and it will continue to do so in every other industry, unfortunately. So this YouTube channel I started, so basically it's about starting businesses with AI, doing small projects with AI, 3D printing, electronics, stuff that a single person can do to make money quickly with AI. So, without further ado, this is the list of materials that I have purchased in order to create a LED sign business, LED sign business. Thanks to AI, the cost of manufacturing this is much cheaper. So I plan to build my own LED signs and sell them for a friendly budget price where we both win and we're all happy. So I'm using my life savings to do this, and I'm scared the hell out because I might go 100% broke. And right now I'm in Colombia, which is even more scary because who the hell's gonna help me out? No one. Okay, so this is a huge risk. So if you guys are interested in this project and surviving the AI revolution, then subscribe, like, share, please. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, guys.